the Draped Cape top. So Stephanie is wearing the bandeau in an extra small medium so that you could see there is enough room for a little bit more of a chest, but it fits her quite nicely. And it's nice because you get both the pieces. And then we're gonna go ahead and drape over the cape top. So we have it draped over her shoulders right now, and we've actually added these snaps on the side. So there are these invisible, hidden black snaps that we can snap so that we can sleeve the cape top. So cute. So now you can see that it's snapped, and then this cape top is reversible. So she's wearing it on the gold side, but then we're also gonna be able to flip it completely on the black side. It is so stunning draped off the shoulders, and then we're just gonna pull it off one shoulder. So we can pull it off one shoulder for this elegant look. So pretty. And we can also pull it off both shoulders too. So we have a full off the shoulder moment. I love that. And then if we want, because we have enough fabric, we could actually crop it. So we can either tuck it in or tie it to itself in the back. Cute. And then we're gonna do the one shoulder. So then we could also unsnap it, so then it just drapes on the arm, so you don't have to make it a sleeve. The one shoulder is so pretty like this because it drapes so beautifully. It's like kind of a high-low. And then if we want to pull the neckline forward a little bit, we can have this square neckline. And I kind of like to tuck this guy in. And then we've tucked in the look, so it really just changes the look. It's really pretty with this open square neckline. Pretty. Then we can pull both the arms through. If you would like, you could make it a strapless moment. You can tuck it in for a strapless moment. So pretty. I love the way it drapes. And then we've added this necktie. So actually, if you untuck it, I like to just pull it straight through up in the middle. So it drapes like this in the middle. And then this necktie will just go straight through here and then back around the neck. So you have this halter moment. It's so pretty. You could drape it with like the black. You can drape it with the black in the front, or you can close it. It's so pretty like this. You can take the longest sides right here. I forgot that actually. And then tie it around like a halter. So I just took the longest sides, the sleeves, if you will, of the cape top, and then I just tied it right around her neck like a halter, and it gives a cowl neck. Pretty. So this is completely reversible onto the black side. We designed it so you could wear it from the holidays to a party, and then just a classic black, so all year long. It is so pretty like this, just draped off the shoulders. Or if you pull one arm through, this is one of my favorite ways to wear it. And then one shoulder is beautiful, but then you could also just pull it down like that and then have that one shoulder off the shoulder. And then because we have this necktie, you could also belt it. Oh, yeah, there's another way.
I like it.
I love it. So many things you can do with this cape top. Let us know if you find any more styles.